Welcome to IMCAS TV, 10 Minutes with Skinceuticals, an integrated approach to skin health and physician practice. I'm with Dalaram Saidi. Welcome.
Thank
you
you.
are the Director of Product Development for Skinceuticals. Just, if I could say a little bit about Skinceuticals, it belongs to the L'Oreal Cosmetic Active line and a major reference in cosmetheuticals, a mix of pure medical treatments and traditional cosmetic treatments. Your products are really on the frontier of cosmetics and drugs and redefining the concept of integrated skincare. I believe the key words for a Skinceuticals are prevent, protect, and correct. So I'll let you talk about Skinceuticals and what the brand stands for.
That's absolutely correct. Skinceuticals was actually founded in 1997. And the brand is really born from decades of skin cancer research by renowned Duke researcher and dermatologist Dr. Sheldon Pennell. He was researching vitamin C and the applications for skin cancer in treatment. And instead what he came up with is a very stable formulation of pure vitamin C that got into skin and provided photoprotection and correction. Now, vitamin C is inherently very unstable and difficult to formulate with, and this is the premise and the founding of our cult favorite gold standard antioxidant serums.
And is this is what makes Skinceuticals so different from the other products?
This is really what makes Skinceuticals so different. What we try to educate on is not all antioxidants are created equally. And it's very key to ask, is the antioxidant getting into skin? Dr. Pennell showed that vitamin C, unlike many of the other antioxidants, can get into the skin because of its molecular weight. And we have really three formulation parameters that we use for vitamin Cs. One, it must be the pure vitamin C. Derivatives, once they absorb, aren't converted to a meaningful amount.
And so not as effective?
Absolutely not as effective. Then it must be at a high concentration, 10 to 15%, at an acidic pH less than 3.5. And these
and the
three...
third? That was the third?
That was the third. So it must be pure vitamin C, high concentration, acidic pH. And these are our three parameters in our exclusive patent.
And what is Skinceuticals' core message at IMCAS this year?
We are here this year to talk about our philosophy for comprehensive, long-lasting results when it comes to facial rejuvenation. And our philosophy is very simple. It's called the integrated skincare approach. When you have a clinical procedure, you need to use products to prime the skin and directly after for wound repair. Then you need to have advanced skincare on an ongoing basis to maintain your results. And you can do clinical procedures like, professional treatments like chemical peels to maintain those results. So those three things make up our integrated skincare.
It's a true complete...
It's a complete circle.
Complete circle.
Clinical procedures, state-of-the-art home care.
Before, during, and after.
Before, during, and after, long-term, and professional treatments in between.
And let's talk about the future. Are you presenting any new science?
Yes, we're here presenting two very exciting new science. We know that 90% of visible aging is caused by sun exposure, and that was predominantly linked to UVA and UVB. The medical community now has new devices that are able to evaluate the other damage caused by the sun. And we're finding that infrared radiation A is actually even more damaging since it penetrates the skin deeper. And it's upregulating MMP1 upregulation. So as a result, you're getting collagen damage and premature aging. We've tested our CE ferulic in vivo, and it downregulates MMP1 by 63% when exposed to IRA. And you're exposed to IRA daily,
all the
so
time.
It's a very big thing. In addition, a core message here at IMCAS is penetration and topical uptake with topical products and procedures.
And safety.
And safety. Absolutely, safety. So we have tested our CE ferulic, going back to our antioxidants, with ablative and non-ablative fractional lasers, and found that it reduced downtime by 2 days and provides long-term overall appearance benefits, radiance, brightening. And it actually increased the uptake of the vitamin C by 17 times when used with a laser.
Well, that's significant.
Yes,
that is significant.
it is.
Where can we find Skinceuticals?
So our distribution varies country by country, really mainly due to regulation. In the US, we're dispensed by doctors. We can be found in medi-spas and spas. In Europe, the majority of doctors are not allowed to dispense, so you can find us in select premium spas, and in those countries that they can have medi-spas, we're there.
Asia?
And in Asia, we're in 26 countries, prescribed by over 9,000 physicians.
And how do we combine Skinceuticals to optimize other treatments? Combination is a big theme of today.
Combination is a big thing. So before any treatment, I mean, we go back, our core philosophy and where our equity is photoprotection. And we know that sunscreen, while it's your first line of defense, it's not enough. Even the best broad spectrum sunscreen only blocks up to 55% of damaging UV radicals and no IRA. So you need an antioxidant on an ongoing daily basis, but to prep your skin before procedure and then to maintain those results on an ongoing basis.
Again, it is a long-term, long-lasting process.
It's an investment.
It's an investment.
It's an investment in your overall appearance and skin health.
We do have a video, but before we go to the video, I just want to make sure there's nothing else you want to add, because this is just so fascinating.
We invite everyone to come visit us at our booth to learn more about our products and to get to test them out as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And I think
thank you for having me.
We can go to the video.
Because of increasing environmental aggressions, our skin needs to be more and more protected every day for our beauty and our health. After decades of skin cancer research, Skinceuticals has been able to develop high-potency antioxidant formulas, concentrated in pure actives, and proven to penetrate into skin.
The skin is very good at repairing itself if you can provide protection against additional damage.
Skinceuticals provides home care products and professional treatments to prevent, correct, and protect. In recent years, leading dermatologists, exclusive plastic surgeons, and select medi-spas have been heading towards a complete and new approach of fighting aging and improving skin health. Skinceuticals is integrated into the medical aesthetic practice with pre- and post-procedure products to enhance injection and laser, state-of-the-art medical peels, and targeted protocols to maintain the results of clinical treatments. Daily routines that complement the benefits of these procedures will make the difference. The cosmetic world is being redefined and will become integrated. We at Skinceuticals believe that integrated skincare is the future of beauty.
Well, we're back, and before we go, I just wanted to ask you, Delaram, can you tell us a little bit about your upcoming product launch?
Yes, I mean, as you just saw, we are the champions of photoprotection, and we're always looking for new innovations. Mineral sunscreens are quite popular in the US, emerging in Europe, and it's really because of their mechanism of action that they differ from chemical sunscreens. They stay on the surface of the skin to reflect sun damage and harmful UV rays, and as a result, they're not very irritating, they're ideal for daily sun exposure and very sensitive skin. Unfortunately, they're traditionally very pasty and white, and so not very cosmetically elegant. We have a new innovation. It's called Mineral Radiance UV Defense SPF 50, high broad spectrum protection, and a light fluid texture with a universal.
Absorbs. It doesn't sit on top.
It doesn't, and it has a universal tint that's been tested across all ethnicities, so it blends right into your skin and very easy to layer.
So it goes across the spectrum from young, old, dark
Absolutely.
skin, light skin.
Absolutely. It's across all different ethnicities, ages, and it's only a fraction of the consumers who are using a sunscreen daily. This is a must. It's comfortable enough to wear every day. It enhances your natural radiance and skin tone. It's a no-brainer.
Delaram, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure.
And informative. Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you.